Hello there. So now you want to start investing and you've chosen Fidelity and you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into that video. First things first, simply go ahead into your app store right over here and search for Fidelity if you haven't already downloaded it. And simply go ahead and tap on the application download and then now go ahead and click on open. Finally, once you're in this application, all you need to do is just tap on open an account and now simply go ahead and follow the steps. So let's set up your account. Is it for general investing, retirement, or crypto? And you can also see all kinds of accounts. As you can see, save and invest for a child, save for medical bills, save or manage my money for me, give to charity, buy annuities, plan with estates and trust and stuff like that. So for example, let's say plan for a retirement. You can simply go ahead into Roth IRAs. And once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and set your account up for you right over here. Are you already a Fidelity customer? You can click on no and click on next right over here. And now you'll be creating an account in no time. Just enter all these details that they're asking right over here and click on next. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and enter your email and create a password, and you'll have an account in Fidelity. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll